Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix mobile data not working on Instagram on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have usable megabytes and turn on the data connection, otherwise check this easy solution B. Open Settings. Tap Mobile or Cellular Data. Scroll down. Turn off Instagram from here or go up tap Mobile Data Network. Now tap Reset Settings. Tap Reset. After this, turn on and off the airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds and turn it back off. After that, check your Instagram issue whether it's fixed or not. Now turn off the low data mode. Go to Settings. Tap on Battery Health and then turn off low power mode. Now again, open Settings. Tap on Mobile Data. After that, tap on the Mobile Data option and ensure that you've turned off the low data mode. After that, check your issue. If you still have the problem, then try our next solution. Try to restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor glitches with your device's operating system. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try our last solution. Go to Settings. Tap General. When you are on this page, tap on iPhone storage. Now go to Instagram and tap on Offload app. Then again, tap Offload. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.